everyone, my name is Tori, and today we are going to make a paper crane in honor of World Origami Day. All you need for this is a square piece of paper. If you don't have a square piece of origami paper at home, you can also use a regular sheet of paper. You can make a square sheet of paper by folding the corner of the sheet of paper over and forming a triangle. You'll cut this excess piece off and it will make you a beautiful, perfect square piece of paper. Let us know in the comments how many cranes you see in the background to get a prize. For today, we're going to begin by making some preliminary folds. You're going to start by folding it into a triangle. You're going to fold over diagonally and have two corners meet. Then you'll unfold it and you'll fold it the other direction as well. Corner to corner into a triangle. Try to make sure that it is as precise as possible and that all of the edges match up. Next, we are going to fold it in half. I would call this hot dog style, but it's a square, so both sides are hot dog style. Then you'll unfold it, you'll turn it, and you'll fold it this way. At this point, you should have folds going diagonally this way, across this way, and from top to bottom this way. Something that will help you is if you fold it diagonally the opposite way that you folded before, it'll assist you with our next step. Our next step is a little more complicated, so watch carefully. If you can see the paper, it comes inwards on these two sides. You're going to pull those sides together. And you are going to make a square that is folded like this. I'll do it one more time. Another way you can look at it is look at this diamond. You're going to move this flap behind the diamond. You're going to move this flap behind the diamond. And you can see this back part will just flatten out just like that. So you should have a crease in the middle on both sides, and there should be two flaps on each side. Next up, you are going to fold this edge so that it meets the middle. You're going to do this on both sides. So what you're doing is you are folding this edge so that it meets the middle, and this edge that it meets in the middle. You are going to do the same thing on the other side. So it should look like this, like a beautiful diamond on both sides. Now, pick a side, any side. You will fold it down along this line. You'll fold this top point down right along this line. You'll unfold it. This next part, you will need to take the bottom flap and move it up. This crease should stay down, but the rest of the paper will come right on up. And you will fold it flat so that it looks like this. So you'll open this up, making sure this part stays down, and you will fold this part so it's flat. You should have a longer diamond that looks like this. We're going to do the other side now. You're going to fold the top down. And do the same on this side. Flatten these out. See how my edges don't quite match up here? Try your best to get the edges to meet perfectly in the center. That way, your crane will have the cleanest possible lines. So you should have a diamond on both sides like this. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to take this edge and have it meet in the middle right here. So we're going to fold it over, folding this edge over so that it meets in the middle. We will do the same on the other side so that it is symmetrical. So we are folding this edge so that it meets the middle right here on both sides. Now we'll flip it over to this side and we'll do the same thing. This edge to the middle and this edge to the middle. Now you should have an even skinnier diamond with two little legs hanging out. We are going to fold these two halves together. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. You are going to close these wings. Close them up. Now it should look like this. You're going to fold this side up and fold this leg up. So it should look like this. Lastly, we are going to fold it back, fold the wings back to their original direction. And you can see that these are the wings of your crane. So you will open this up, shimmy it back and forth. And we'll pick a side for the head. I'll pick this side. So this side is the head, and this side is the tail. There actually isn't a way to determine which side is which. You can just pick whichever side you like. And here we have a crane. Let us know in the comments what other arts and crafts you'd like to see. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Parks make Long Beach. You belong here.